everybody. Welcome to Easy Rider. I hope everybody's doing well. I'm doing good. It's another great day for a ride. As soon as I get out of my carport here, be going on one. So please, if you like my videos, please like, subscribe, share with your friends and family, share with your co-workers, share with your in-laws that you don't like. Just help me grow. Thanks very much. Bumps. They patched all these trenches that they had dug here a while back. And they were putting in the new gas line, so it's easier now, but there's still some rough spots. California rolling stop. I hope this GoPro 7 is recording correctly. It's a little stuck, like it's in portrait mode, but it's showing it's straight up and down, but it's just a little narrow picture there in my phone. It's never done that before. It always had it all across. I can only hope for the best. Got the chest mount camera on again. Too hot to wear a helmet, and I had a request. They wanted to see more forward views that would let them see the landscape around here, so I took the camera off the rear crash bar and put it up on my chest. That guy looked like he was running away from something, but I don't see anything for him to be running away from. But he was really pumping those arms like he was really trying to put the speed on. Dangerous animals out when I'm out hiking, I back up slowly, which for some animals is the best way to do it. If you run, it triggers their attack response. They think you're prey. Puffy white clouds out to contrast against the blue sky. I don't think we're going to get any thunderstorms today, but this being July, you never know. Weather Channel said 0% chance of rain. I hope they're right while I'm out on the ride, but I hope it rains after I get back, because we need the rain. Having some rain lately now, a lot of the grass and the weeds are turning shoulder. My arms are getting tired up that high. I can tolerate them just about shoulder height, but I like them just a little bit lower. Through a scenic neighborhood over here. Unfortunately, it is a residential area, so I can't make a lot. Well, I mean, I could make a lot of noise and go real fast, but I'm not going to. One thing you can't see around all the turns. Oh, boy. Yeah, I was up early this morning. I thought I was going to go for a ride before it got hot, but I just couldn't get moving fast enough. It's 1:45 now. And then when my wife got up, she wanted to go to the store and have me carry the soda bottles. So just getting out in the afternoon. I'm always trying to get out early in the no sand, dirt, and gravel, all three on this curve. Always trying to get out early in the summer. The heat and the UV radiation, so I don't like putting sunscreen on, but if I'm going to be out after 10 o'clock, I got to put it on. So keep yawning. Whoa, 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 gravel, gravel. Slow it down, Greg, slow it down. Oh. Gravel in the curves. Thunderstorms and monsoon rains we have, they wash all kinds of debris out onto the road. Mostly dirt and gravel, but sometimes they wash vegetation out onto it too. Bunch of gravel here where I'm going to turn left. I'll take it pretty easy. There we go. Through that. we didn't have to worry about the fires. Maybe I worry about them too much. I never worried about them until 2013 when we got evacuated for the Dosey fire. Ever since then, I've been worried about them. Although it really didn't come close enough. It was 3 or 4 miles away. That's as close as it got. Nice looking house there, but it looks rather large. I like a smaller house now. I guess this isn't where I want to turn right. Yeah, maybe I'm lost. Well, I'm not really lost. I just won't be where I want to be. I lose my way a lot, in more ways than one. Yeah, I'm definitely not going to end up where I wanted to be, because this is, well, maybe I will. We're going back to the right there again, but actually I'm thinking now this is the road I came in on, and I was looking for something else. Well, I'll go a different way. Or dirt and gravel. Nice scenic little ride. Yeah, coming right back out on Iron Springs Road where I came in at. I didn't get the right road to get where I want to go. There's Thumb Butte over there, right in front of us, just slightly to the left. Now everybody's coming down this right lane. Signal back that way must have changed. Another guy out on his Road King.